Amber and get it on.
Sure.
Yeah.
Amber, do you want me to take her to go pee?
Okay.
Get your shoes on. I'm not caring. Get your shoes on.
Okay. Just kidding.